You my time, running down. You my time. I'll be there for you, calling me when you're lonely, dancing on the roof. It feels like rendezvous. You know what to do. Keep your
Hello all you beautiful people out there, how are you? I hope you all are good and safe at your homes. This is me Sneha and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to show you probably one of the most important things of beauty basics, how to ace your base, meaning how to get that flawless looking skin with foundation for the summers before applying any kind of makeup on your face. As you have seen, I have created this look today and you can see how flawless finish it's giving. So to know how I have created this look, you will have to watch my video till the end. No matter how good your makeup is, if your base is not good, your makeup is not going to look good no matter what. So in today's tutorial, I am going to show you a step-by-step routine on what I do to get that flawless look with foundation, and I hope this tutorial will be helpful for most of the beginners who are new to makeup. Also in today's video, I am going to give you guys a roundup of all the products that I am going to use today and also the products which are super affordable and which you guys can use as starters. So before moving on today's video, if you guys like my today's video, then do give it a thumbs up, and if you guys want to share your reviews regarding my videos, you can do it in the comment section which is given below. And if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So without wasting any time, let's quickly jump onto the video.
Firstly, I'm starting off by cleaning off my face with the Lakme Blush and Glow Lemon Fresh Face Wash. I especially like this face wash because of the menthol that is present in it. It gives a cooling sensation to your skin. So you guys can use any good face wash for this purpose. Cleaning your face during the summers before applying any kind of makeup is very much necessary, because with all the dirt and sweat that accumulates on your skin prevents the skin to breathe properly. Always clean your face in a gentle circular motion. Don't rush with the face wash or cleanser that you are using, and if you are scrubbing your face, then do it a night before you are applying the makeup, because scrubbing exfoliates your skin and tends to make your face look a bit fluffier. Then with the help of a towel, I am drying off my face. Dry the face by dabbing the towel, not by rubbing it all over your skin, because you need your skin to feel relaxed. Next, I am using the Lotus Herbal Safe Sun SPF 70 Carrot and Avocado Extract Sunscreen Lotion. This sunscreen lotion is suitable for all skin types. If you are doing your makeup for the day, then a sunscreen lotion is very much necessary for the summers to protect your skin from the harmful heat of the sun. You guys can also use the Lakme Sun Expert SPF 50 sunscreen lotion for this purpose. Apply it all over your face and apply it about half an hour before you are applying the makeup, and leave it for some time. Next, I am using the Lotus Herbal's Rose Tone Facial Skin Toner to tone my skin. This process is a must to make your makeup non-greasy and long-lasting for the summers. Toning the skin makes the skin oil-free and also helps remove any residual dirt or cleanser that may have been left behind. This process also increases the blood supply to the skin and helps restore the natural pH level of the skin, which leaves the skin clean and ready to be hydrated. You guys can also use the Plum Green Tea alcohol-free toner for this purpose. Next, I am using the Neutrogena Oil-Free Moisturizer to hydrate my skin. This is a moisturizer for normal to oily skin types. The intense heat during the summers may leave your skin dehydrated, so it is very much necessary to hydrate your skin using a good moisturizer. As I have an oily skin, so using this moisturizer gives my skin a 12-hour moisturization, leaving the skin non-greasy as well as hydrated at the same time. If you have an oily skin just like me, I would recommend you guys to use a lotion or a gel-based moisturizer. The Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel is a very good moisturizer for oily skin types for the summer. Also, you can use aloe vera gel for this purpose. And if you have a dry skin, then you can use essential oils for this purpose, but I would recommend to use little quantity during the summers. So this was all the prepping of the skin before applying the makeup. Next, I am using the Lakme Absolute Undercover Gel Primer to prime my face. Priming your face before applying any kind of makeup is also necessary to create a base for long-lasting makeup. And also, if you have open pores on your face, using a primer covers all the pores and creates a smooth surface to apply the makeup. Making the foundation stay on your face during the summers might get a little tricky sometimes. Because of the sweat and all, it tends to glide out of its place. So using a primer creates a smooth surface on the face for the foundation to stick onto place. You guys can also use the Wet n Wild Cover All Face Primer or the Color Bar Flawless Finish Primer as starters for this purpose. Next, I am using the Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer in the shade number 40, that is Caramel, to conceal all the dark spots and even out my skin tone wherever I feel it's necessary. I don't have that much of a problem on my face, but still I am applying the concealer mostly to my under eyes to hide the little bit of darkness that I have under my eyes. You guys can totally skip this step if you don't have any dark spots or patches on your face, and if you have such problems, then you can also use the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer or the Swiss Beauty Concealer with the shade matching to your skin tone. Now next, with the help of a small beauty blender, I will be blending it all out in a patting motion. You can also use a concealer brush or your fingers for this purpose, but I personally prefer a beauty blender because the bristles of a brush tends to glide out all the products from its place. And also a small tip for you guys that do not smear or drag the blender over the concealer or foundation, because doing it will drag out most of the foundation or concealer from their places. Also, I will be leaving the online links to all the products that I am using today and also the products about which I have mentioned with their prices in the description box below for your reference. These are easily available across all online stores. Take your time and make sure to blend it out properly, because you don't want your face to look cakey and all messed up. Now with the concealer done, I am using the LA Colors Truly Matte Long Wearing Foundation in the shade Medium Beige. This is a high coverage foundation and are available in 8 different shades, and also this foundation is super affordable for all the beginners. Now with the help of a flat brush, I will be applying the foundation all over my face. As starters, I would recommend you guys to use a lightweight and thin foundation for the summers so that you can slowly build up the foundation up to your desired coverage. A good foundation is very much necessary for that flawless finish to your makeup. For this, you can use the L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation or the Maybelline New York Fit Me Foundation or the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation for the summers. Always select the shade of the foundation 1 or 2 shades lighter to your skin tone, cause when the foundation starts oxidizing, it gives a natural finish to your skin, and if you choose a shade matching to your skin tone, after the foundation oxidizes, it will start looking dark. Then with the help of a beauty blender, I will be blending out the foundation properly all over my face. Also blend out the product in the areas like your ears and your neck with the remaining products that is on the blender. No need to take extra product for blending in the places like your ears and your neck. Here again, apply the beauty blender in a tapping motion. Do not smear or drag the blender. As I said earlier, it might drag away the product from its place. Proper blending is very much necessary for your makeup to look flawless. A poorly done blending job results in one of the two things: exposes every blemishes it was meant to hide, or it sits on your face as a mountain of products and ends up attracting attention due to its being under blended. So make sure to blend your foundation properly all over your face. Now after applying the foundation, it's time to set all the wet products in place. For that, here I am using the PAC Cosmetics HD powder in the shade Transparent for setting up the foundation and concealer. Now with the help of the same beauty blender that I used for foundation, I am applying the translucent powder under my eyes, around my lips, on my forehead, moreover all over my face to set my face. Setting your face with a powder sets all the products in place and also gives it a matte finish. Using a translucent powder or a loose powder reduces the excess shine and improves the texture of your skin by preventing and decreasing oiliness. This step is one of the most important steps of a flawless base. You guys can also use the Maybelline New York Fit Me Loose powder in the shade Transparent for this purpose. Now with the help of a powder brush, I am using the Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Plus Flawless Pressed powder in the shade Natural Buff to dust off all the excess translucent powder that I applied before, giving finishing touches to my base. This process gives a matte finish to your base and also sets all the products in place. I'm probably looking like a ghost right now to you guys, but this will eventually go off when I set my face with the setting spray. You guys can also use the Maybelline Compact Powder or the Wet n Wild Press Powder for this purpose. You need to dust off properly all the excess powder with the help of the compact or the pressed powder before applying any kind of setting spray. Now after setting your face properly with the powder, it's time for the final step. For that, here I am using the PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer for locking all the products in place. Here you guys can use the Swiss Beauty Makeup Setting Spray as starters. This step not only locks the foundation in place but also makes your makeup long lasting. Now before completing the rest of my makeup, I'll be using the Maybelline New York Baby Lips Color Changing Lip Balm in the shade Peach Bloom because hydrating your lips is the must so that they don't dry up easily. So yeah, that's the final look. You guys can see how flawless finish it's giving, and I have completed the rest of my makeup off camera because today I have only focused on the process of how to getting your perfect foundation base. I hope my today's video was helpful for you all, and we'll be meeting soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay at home, take care, love you all, bye bye.
Keep your love for me on